Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, and today I want to highlight the trades of the week for last week. Last week we had two trades and together gave us 16 points or $800. Individually per trade we got 8 points per trade or $400 per trade on 2 different days, and I wanted to highlight this just because you get to see a little bit about what we do. You get to see a little bit about what I'm looking at, as well as kind of get a feel for what I do. So first trade, we took a trade prior to that and got stopped out. Ended up, having this good trade, and then we had 2 more trades after that that also were successful. So we had a pretty good day on this day, which was the 28th, if you're not looking up here. And we ended up taking a short here. Price was going lower. What we got stopped out on was a long, and price ended up going lower. We ended up this day taking our 1 long that did not work out and the 3 shorts that did. So interesting, just pointing that out. We ended up taking a short right up here. So price came down. We got short on this pullback up here. And what we do in the room is we trade 2 contracts minimum. Some people trade more. I trade more. But the system that I teach is a 2 contract system. And then you can add on to that. And that's what trading is really all about. If you're able to trade small, then you will be able to trade large at some point, depending on how long it takes you to learn the system and everything. But that's what I teach. So we got long there. We took our first partial at 2 points, and then we took the rest off at plus 6 points. So all in all, that was a pretty decent trade. That was a $400 trade right there. And like I said, we had a couple more that worked out well. I just want to highlight the best trades of the week. And because they happened on 2 different days, I thought it would be interesting to show. So that's one trade, really good trade. And trade number 2 on this day, which is the 29th of last week, we had 3 successful and 1 unsuccessful trade. 1 short and 3 longs is what we made here. So this trade here was our second trade that we made on the day, and we ended up getting long. We watched price a little bit, open gap up a little bit, closed that gap and then some, and then it started to take off. Well, it took off, finally gave a pullback here. This was a tiny one here, gave us a pullback here, and we ended up entering the market. We took our first partial at 2.5 points, and then our second one at 5.5 points. So, pretty good. Also $400 trade. We had a very good day this day and a very good day this day, but I just want to highlight the best trades. I think that's what people are most interested in, and that's what I'm hoping to show and highlight in this series. I call it Trade of the Week. Sometimes it's Trades, plural, of the week. And if you have any comments about it and you want to see something else, always leave it in the comment below. We can talk about it. A lot of people like to email me directly and make it more personal. So the website, there'll be a link to the contact form in the description of this video. You can also find me on the website if you want to just go there. Upper right, there's an About section. Click on that, and you'll see the contact form below in the drop down. So anyway, with that, hopefully you enjoyed these trades. You get something out of it. If you do, feel free to share. If you got something out of it, like the video. If you don't enjoy it, dislike the video. At least I know, what you guys like and don't like. And with that, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the markets. Thanks, and take care.